adventurers, we're here at the St. Croix River. We're going to be doing a 4-hour kayaking trip. Alright, adventurers, we put in at Taylor's Falls, and I was right, it's 7 miles and it'll be about 3-4 hours, and there's a lot of people here. Oh, you jumped in. Ah! There's a little turtle on this. Alright, we're about halfway. We're going to have break time. We got some ham cheese sandwiches. And I got some cookies. We got grapes, bananas, all sorts of good stuff floating here in the lagoon. Alright, that was about 20 minutes for lunch. Throwing out a few casts here and there. I see fish jumping, but no bites. Lots of turtles, lots of birds. Even seen a bird carrying a fish, but nothing biting on the old line. So I guess I'll keep trying. Right, just came around the corner and we can see our destination. Is that bridge way up there. Almost there. Alright, we're approaching our destination here at the highway bridge going over the river. The St. Croix River here, by the way, is the border of Minnesota, Wisconsin. So this is Minnesota over here, and that's Wisconsin over there. And our landing should be right around the corner. So that was 7 miles from Taylor's Falls to Osceola Landing. Again, there's a shuttle that goes back and forth for people that want, and then they have a rental at Interstate State Park. There's a rental place, and then there's a shuttle here. There's also a shuttle at William O'Brien State Park. But one thing I noticed at the stop here, there's no schedule of the buses or anything, so I don't know how you figure that out, but there is a shuttle that shuttles between the state parks, and it stops here also. There was a number of campsites located along both sides of the river. There's also a big picnic ground here at Osceola Landing and everything, but had a lot of fun. Join me next week on Happy Trail Backpacking.